Welcome to Shifa Medical Information, your trusted source for authentic medical knowledge. Do you ever feel your vision getting blurry? Do your eyes feel tired or dry after long screen time? Weak eyesight is becoming a common issue, but do you know the real reasons behind it? In today's video, we will uncover the top causes of weak eyesight and share powerful natural remedies to improve your vision naturally. Make sure to watch till the end for some eye-opening tips that can truly make a difference. Before we move to solutions, let's first understand what weakens our eyesight. The major reasons include excessive screen time. In today's digital age, we spend hours on mobile phones, laptops, and TVs. The blue light emitted by screens can cause digital eye strain, headaches, and blurred vision over time. Poor diet. Our eyes need essential nutrients like vitamin A, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. A poor diet lacking these elements can gradually weaken your vision. Lack of proper sleep. Not getting enough quality sleep can cause eye fatigue, dryness, and even long-term vision problems. Rest is as important for your eyes as it is for your body. Continuous exposure to bright lights. Did you know that direct exposure to bright lights, whether it's sunlight or artificial lighting, can damage your retina and speed up vision loss? Genetics and aging. Some people inherit weak eyesight from their parents, while others experience age-related vision issues like presbyopia and cataracts. Now that we understand the causes, let's explore natural ways to improve and protect our vision. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. One of the simplest ways to prevent eye strain is the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away. Eat eye-boosting foods. Add vitamin A-rich foods like carrots, leafy greens, and fish to your diet. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish help prevent dry eyes and improve vision. Perform eye exercises. Simple exercises like rolling your eyes, blinking frequently, and shifting focus between near and distant objects can strengthen eye muscles and improve focus. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can cause dry and irritated eyes. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your eyes moisturized and healthy. Protect your eyes from bright lights. Wearing UV-protected sunglasses outdoors and adjusting screen brightness indoors can shield your eyes from harmful rays. Use natural eye drops. Applying pure rose water or cooling cucumber slices can reduce redness, soothe tired eyes, and keep them refreshed. By following these simple yet effective tips, you can naturally improve your eyesight and prevent future problems. Now it's your turn. Which of these tips will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe to Shifa Medical Information for more health-related content. Stay healthy, stay informed. See you in the next video.